Nothing is more refreshing than the flavors of sweet watermelon and sharp lime on a hot summer's day. This watermelon juice will cool and relax your mind and body. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel Simply Food. So let's see what you'll need to make this recipe. Watermelon chunks, fresh mint leaves, sugar, black salt, chaat masala, lemon juice and ice cubes. Into a blender jar, take watermelon chunks, deseed it and I set them for 1 hour into refrigerator. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 3 teaspoon of sugar. If you don't want to add sugar, you can do that. And mint leaves. Just thread them. One lemon juice. And very little water. Put off the lid and make a fine mixture. Watermelon juice is ready. Pour into glass and garnish with mint leaves, ice cubes and slice of watermelon. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video, give your feedback. Thank you. Bye.